In this video we will have a closer look at the very powerful feature called OPS. This is available on Huawei switches as well on routers and can be used for different use cases. You can, for example, react on any triggers like alarms, log entries, or also based on timers, and then can execute any tasks like commands or batch files or even Python scripts. In our example here, we will use commands based on timers, and we are here connected to a Huawei switch. It's a V2 switch on the Yunshan OS system. Let's imagine we have an access point connected to port GE101, which is at the moment shut down. It's powered off, so it's connected via Power over Ethernet. We will create two OPS assistant tasks. One to power on the access point at 7 a.m. in the morning and shut down the access point at 8 p.m. in the evening because we don't need it during the night. So for that case, we will create first an OPS assistant, which I call shutdown. Then I will execute a command first. I need to go into the system view. Then I create the next command, which is going into the interface GE0101, and then I execute the command shutdown. In this example, we are using a condition, a timer condition with a cron job, which use 6 different arguments. First of all, it's the minute, so we will use 0, and then the second number he needs is hour, so it's about 8 p.m. which is 20 in the evening. Then the day of the month, we will have it every day. The next is the month, also every month. Then the day of the week, so every day of the week, even on Saturday and Sunday. And the last one, it's the year, which we also want to have it every year. And that's the condition based on a cron job. That's it for that assistant. Now I'll go one back and create another assistant for the undo shutdown, which we will do at 7 a.m. Now both assistants are created. We can check it with display OPS assistant verbose. Here we can see that we have an assistant called shutdown, which has 3 tasks. Just go into the system view, go into the interface GE101 and make the shutdown. And the second one, it's the undo shutdown assistant, which is doing the system view, go into the system view, go into the interface GE101 and do an undo shutdown. Now let's check the time we have on this device. It's 8 in the morning, so that we don't need to wait until the OPS will undo the interface, which we can check again. So the interface GE101, it's at the moment configured shutdown. So it should unshut this interface at 7 in the morning, but we are already at 8 o'clock. So let's manipulate the clock to be around shortly before 7. This can be done in the user view with clock date time. At 6:59 and 32nd, and let's say it's the 1st of January. So as you can see now, the clock is set. Now we wait for 30 seconds, and then the interface should be up and the access point should be connected. Now it's after 7 a.m. Let's check if the interface is now in the up state. Yes, it is. So now the access point is connected, and at 8 p.m. it will be shut down again. This was a small example to show you the feature set of this feature called OPS. You can do much more with it, but we just use this assistant to execute some commands, but you can also use it with batch files or Python script and trigger on some log files entries or alarms. So it's very useful for different kind of use cases.